Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. For the love of jazz. Jazz lovers gathered on the East Lawns of Devon House in St. Andrew on Wednesday in celebration of International Jazz Day 2019. Organized by the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts, the jazz event saw staff and students of the School of Music and a special guest American jazz trombonist Steve Ture treating music lovers to an innovative performance using seashells, a trombone, and other unlikely gadgets. Ibu Cooper's ska jazz also delivered a pulsating version of American composer, pianist, and leader of a jazz orchestra, Duke Ellington's jazz track Caravan. Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange outlined the importance of Jamaica celebrating International Jazz Day.
Power of the music to bring people together in love, peace, and unity. We also celebrate the influence of jazz on Jamaican music and the contribution of Jamaican musicians to jazz internationally. Bertie King, Dizzy Reese, Monty Alexander, and Ernie Ranglin established themselves internationally. Those early jazz musicians set the foundation for Bob Marley and many others to place Jamaica at the top of the international music scene.
In 2011, UNESCO dedicated April 30 as International Jazz Day, as the international art form is recognized for uniting people globally and for promoting peace, dialogue among cultures, and diversity. Now to news overseas, where Drake was crowned king at the Billboard Music Awards. Canadian rapper Drake was one of the big winners at the 2019 Billboard Music Awards last night in Las Vegas, taking home 12 trophies, among those for Top Artist, Top Rap Artist, and Top Rap Album. History in the making. The feat means he has the most Billboard awards of any artist, with a total of 27, officially dethroning singer Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift, who was nominated for 2 awards, Best Female Artist and Top Touring Artist, currently has 23 Billboard awards. The event held yesterday in Las Vegas featured blazing performances from top acts including Taylor Swift and Panic at the Disco's Brendan Urie, Halsey, BTS, Sierra, and Madonna. Meanwhile, Cardi B, who was leading the nominees with 21 nominations in 18 categories, walked away with 6 awards for Top Rap Female Artist and Best Rap Song for I Like It, as well as Hot 100 Song, Best Collaboration Radio Song, and Top Selling Song awards for her track with Maroon 5, Girls Like You. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching. E-Prime.